Here's how to contact Microsoft support and reach a live agent. Open your browser and go to support.microsoft.com. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Signing in gives you access to more support options than browsing as a guest, including live chat and callback in some regions. Select the product or service you need help with: Windows, Microsoft 365, Xbox, and so on. Click Get Support. Describe your issue in the text box as specifically as possible and click Get Help. Depending on your issue and region, you will be offered available contact options, typically live chat, phone callback, or community forum. Choose the option that fits best. If you choose chat or phone, have your error message, the steps you have already tried, and any relevant screenshots ready before connecting. Being prepared shortens the support session significantly. Microsoft support quality varies by tier and product. First responses are often automated or from Tier 1 agents. If your issue is complex and the first agent cannot resolve it, ask to escalate to a specialist. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.